Hello everyone, in this session I'm going to show you how you can use MyReceptionAI and how you can have a KI or AI telephone assist for your business, and also if you want how you can have an AI agent for your website. Then everyone can talk with the AI and AI would speak with the customer related to your business, your website, and any questions that customer needed to know about your business, right? So the AI would answer the phone calls. AI can also do the appointment management or book the time, I can say, for the customer based on your information that you provide to AI, and actually answering the questions based on your website. So it's very easy. I would do it very fast to you. You don't need to know any technical information or anything, but it's very actually easy to use MyReceptionAI. So it's like your customers. Actually, you can have a phone number from MyReceptionAI based on your business and registered on your business name actually. So the phone number would be your phone number actually until you have the subscription with the MyReceptionAI. So the customer would call the phone number, AI would answer the call and providing the customer information based on what you added to the MyReceptionAI. So AI exactly answering based on what you want and what your business is. If the customer asking for appointment, AI can handle it during the call with talking with the customer, asking the name and the time and anything, and the timing would be confirmed and added in the actually the calendar. The calendar can be the Google Calendar, can be the Microsoft Calendar, or anything you want. You just can, if you need any customization, you just can send me email or asking for more support. We can add everything you want. Also, actually, the AI currently is talking in the German language, English language, any language also you want, we can add. But already we have now the French, Spanish, and Turkish language also here. So it's very easy actually. I can show you how you do the first actually log in or sign up. So just coming here, just coming to the, I used my actually Microsoft account, but you can just do anything you want. So the first page actually is like this one. I don't have any subscription, but I can test and I can use the software for testing, right? But if I want to have the subscription, I can come here. So the payment is very secure actually. It's based on the very secure approach, or I can say the company that already trusted and many other companies are using. So we are also using this company for the payments. So I'm going back to the dashboard, and also software is based on the English and German language. So here I can see step by step how I can connect or I can create an AI for my business. It's very easy actually. You can do it by the menu here, or you can come here and you can just add the name of the AI, name of your business, anything you want, just name it by anything you want. Description, if you want, you can add. You can select the language that you are interested or you want your customer. Actually, I can say the customer is talking more in the German, so you select the German. If English, then you select the English language. You can also say the multiple or auto detect language, but my recommendation is selecting exactly the language you want, right? Then you can just select the tone of the voice, or I can say the AI, who you want to talk with the customers. And also here,
ideas are the beginning point. The years teach much. The beginning points of all fortunes.
So
ideas are the beginning.
So I'm selecting also the AI. I can also here in the templates based on my business, select the template here. For example, I'm real estate company, I don't know, a small business, a technology company, automotive company. I can select the template, and then by selecting each template you would receive, actually I can change it to the English then, because this video is in English. So you can see the welcome message and also system prompt. You can edit this to anything you want. For example, if you want, I would say Sarah. So hello, I'm Sarah. Yeah, and thank you for calling. Or you can say your AI, I don't know, assist. Yeah, so thank you for calling. Then AI exactly would say this to the customer. So you can also say, hello, you called to, I don't know, the real estate company, blah blah blah, and how we can help you. So I can also tell you something that is like a system prompt. So you can say exactly how the AI can behave or should behave. If you don't know how to edit this or adding more information, just you can ask us, or I can do it for you for free, and do more customization based on your business. So I'm clicking on the, okay, I didn't add the, so I would say Sarah OG, for example. For example, it's a company which is Sarah named. Then I'm coming to the actually generate. How AI know about my business, right? So I can add my website of the company here. For example, if my company is this company, I just can copy this one and paste it there. Or if I have my own company, definitely I have my own company website, so I copy the URL here, and then I'm clicking on actually import. Then AI know about my company, right? And I can answer the customer based on the texts here. If customer need any questions, AI know about it. You can also upload the text file and add more information. The interesting thing is you can also connect your calendar. So if you have Google Calendar or other calendars, you can just connect the calendar. For example, here I'm connecting the Microsoft account, or my Microsoft calendar uh, to the AI, right? So now we have the AI agent here. Let me show you. So my AI is ready now, and I can see it's connected. Also, I can see if the customers call, AI would book the time in the calendar. I can also have widgets in my website, and uh, I can just easily copy this in the code of my website, and I will have this widget in my website. You can customize it and choose the other colors or anything. And if you don't know how to do that, or how where you have to copy this one in your website, just let us know. We can do it for free for you. But yeah, let me come here. Also, if you want to change any information later, so you can do it here. Just all thing that we did is here, and you can do any changes in the agent. Also, I can show you here. You can click on the test call, and then you can talk with the AI.
Hello, thank you for calling the real estate office. This call is handled by an AI assistant and may be recorded. By continuing, you agree to this. How can I help you?
Hi, I need to rent an apartment, and I need you to book an appointment for me for today, actually morning at maybe 10.
I can help with that. Could you please tell me what kind of apartment you're looking for? For example, your budget, desired size, and location preferences?
Yeah, actually, I'm looking for a big apartment with maybe 4 rooms, and my budget is monthly €20,000.
Thanks for sharing. Could you also tell me the location you're interested in for this apartment?
Maybe I would say the center of Berlin.
Thank you for the details. I'll arrange an appointment for today at 10 a.m. May I confirm your name and contact information to proceed?
Yeah, my name is Mohammed and my contact is mohammed@gmail.com.
Let me confirm. Your email is mohammed@gmail.com, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Thank you, Mohammed. Your contact details are saved. However, I'm sorry, 10 a.m. is not available. Could you please suggest another time today?
Yeah, maybe 11?
Got it. Let me confirm. You want to book today at 11 a.m., correct?
Yeah, correct.
Your appointment is set for today at 11 a.m. Our team will confirm the details with you shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you so much. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
So as you can see, we were saying the real estate and the real estate. So AI answered us like I can say a real estate reception, and I could also book a time for actually today. I can say, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, here is for today. I booked the time, so with very good budget. And I can also see exactly the conversation between me and AI. I can approve actually the appointment and as a manager or as the manager of the real estate, right? So if the customer call me requesting call my business actually or requesting an appointment, anything, AI would answering the questions or booking the time correctly. And I can say also, let me come to the agent. In the agent, actually, we just created here. You can also see exactly the um, the information and what happening for example, today, Monday. But in the calendar, actually, it said actually AI said as 10 is booked, because at 10 in my Outlook, the Google, or sorry, in the Microsoft account, I was busy. So AI was checking my calendar and then told the customer, sorry, we cannot book the time. So, and suggested another time, and everything now booked correctly. So I can also confirm the time, and customer would know about it. Actually, yeah, email sent to the customer. Let me come to widget. So if you now want to have the widget, or if you want to have this something like this in your website, now it's possible, right? You don't need to do anything. You just would copy this one to your website, and then you would have it, and the AI would do exactly like what we did here. But maybe you want to also have the phone number. For phone number, because you want to have the phone number based on your company information. So you need actually register yourself, or I can say buy the phone number here, but you don't need to pay, because if you are getting one of the subscription plans, for example, for a starter, you will have one phone number for free actually. If you have the pro, you would get two phone number for free. So if you registered for one of them, then you are coming to the phone numbers. Just add your company information here, upload actually one of the documents based on your company, and then just submit. Uh, this is actually the rule for register for having a phone number for the companies, and it's actually very fast. If you, for example, register the data here, maybe a few hours or one day after, it would be approved, and you can just come here again to the phone numbers and have the phone number for yourself. The phone number is active or on your name until your subscription is valid, right? So, and this is for actually safety. The phone number is for you based on your company name. And if someone search the phone number to see, okay, this phone number is for who, they can see your company name, not the My Reception company. It's very actually good for the companies who has the phone number. And then you are coming here. I can log in with another account to show you how we are searching and getting the phone number for our agent. Here is Sarah agent, which we created here, but maybe in another account I have different name of the agent. Let me show you. So this time I'm doing the login. I'm going with my Google account. So here in the phone numbers, I can select the agent. Here my agent is different. For example, now I'm selecting the correct code, and here you can see I have more agents. So I can select the phone number that I want for which agent. Then I can say search. So as you can see, my information already is valid. My company is valid, and I can buy the phone number based on the place my company actually located. So I can just add this phone number or any option that I want. The coffin means adding to my account, right? To the agent. It would be, for example, this phone number would be connected to this. If I want to connect to another, for example, this one, so I just selected, and then this phone number which I getting is connecting to this AI, right? And the coffin, as I mentioned, if you have the subscription, for example, for having one phone number, it would be free because your starter has one. But if you want to have more phone number, it's also possible, but we get actually the company MyReceptionAI get €5 for that. So let me come back, searching and then coffin. Actually, we can change it here. So selecting the agency that you want, AI you want, and then just purchasing or buying that. It's very actually easy. Then after do that, you can come to the agent. You can see, for example, here the number is assigned to my reception AI. So if someone called this number, the AI would answering exactly like what we did in the actually test call. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please just send me email, message, WhatsApp, or anything you want. I'll help you to do any customization that you want, or any questions you have, I would answer to them very fast and directly to you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.